preamble message of up to 6 lines can be printed at the top of each receipt. Each line can consist of up to 24 characters. To program a preamble message, please refer to the descriptor code page located within your manual. Each letter, number, and symbol has a corresponding 3-digit code that can be typed into the register to create the message that you want to show on your register tape. Make sure you take your time and pre-plan what you want it to read and how you want it to look. This will save you time in programming. To program a preamble, select the Mode Calc button and press until the display shows P, Program Mode. Select the number 700 on the black number keys. Select the subtotal key. Type in the number 1 for the first line of the message. Select X time. Type in the 3-digit numbers that correspond with each letter character for the first line of text. Select the subtotal key. Type in the number 2 or the second line of the message. Select X time. Type in the 3-digit numbers that correspond with each letter character for the second line of text. Select subtotal key. Type in the number 3 or the third line of the message. Select X time key. Type in the 3-digit numbers that correspond with each letter character for the third line of text. Select the subtotal key. Select the cash tender key when you're finished with your lines of text.